It's time for Murphy's office tour.
Sports. Tennis courts.
Tim, are you ready for your office tour?
Was that today? Hi, I'm Tim Murphy, Murphy Pavement Technology. I am a licensed professional engineer in several states. I've been blessed to work around the country with a lot of you. So working through the pandemic from home, the biggest thing I've missed really is just seeing you face to face. I had to retool the whole home office with my marketing assistant, purchased a bunch of whole new gizmos and gadgets. When I'm at the computer, I'll be using the headphones for the highest quality possible. I'll jump into these sporty little wireless doodads and I can walk around the house and continue to talk to you. One of the things I'm really excited about is this visual presenter from Elmo. Does a really nice job. I can always look over my shoulder and see what you're actually getting. This is one of the really fun tools that I've come to learn to like a lot. One of the really nice things was to purchase a webcam that I mount on my tripod, and that's actually how you're seeing me now, is that the webcam can pick up everything on the whiteboard. So it's really important for interaction to be at the highest level possible. So we'll use videos to teach, we'll use pictures to teach. This is probably one of my favorite things to do because it gets me up, gets me walking around a little bit. A lot of you have enjoyed a lot of the essential employee educational programs on the Murphy Pavement Technology website. Get to demonstrate how paving equipment works with you when we're on our webinars. Had a lot of great successes with working with you, both in person and virtually this year. Proud of everybody who has pulled together to get through 2020, because we still got to learn. We still have to continue to innovate and design new asphalt mixtures and improve our production and installation techniques. Oh, and one last thing before I head out, make sure to tune in for World of Asphalt. It will be held virtually this year. You'll see some dates come up in March again. I'll be hopefully presenting a few key asphalt tips for you to learn and be successful in 2021.